How to set up TikTok shop. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up TikTok shop. As you can see this interface on my screen, I'll give you the link in my description box. You can easily access it from there. First of all, you need to click on get started. From here you need to select whether you are a seller, creator, partner or affiliate. As I want to create a TikTok shop, so I'll click on seller. Then I'll click on learn more. From here, you need to choose the portal you wish to log in into. I'll select Asia Seller. And from here, you need to select your location. Here you need to upload some documents. You need to add a shop name and who is the primary shop owner. And here you need to upload your identity card. You can also upload a passport instead of identity card. And here you need to add some contact information. Here you need to add your phone number and they will send you a verification code. Then you need to type your verification code here. If you don't want to put your phone number, then you need to click on email address. They will send you the verification code on the email address and then you can type it here. Then you need to agree with TikTok advertising terms and payment terms. Then you need to click on submit and your TikTok shop will be created. This is how you can create a TikTok shop. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.